Hi students, we meet once again. Let's have a look at this problem. 3x plus 6 is less than or equal to 3x plus 10. Okay, subtracting 3x from both sides, we get 6 is less than or equal to 10. Now, this is always true. Irrespective of the value of x, 6 is always equal to or less than 10. And this is a true statement. Okay, this is a true statement. So, the important thing to understand is this is always true no matter what x is. You must see that not every inequality leads to a value for x. Realize that logical thinking is more important than mere algebraic procedure. So that should be the takeaway from this inequality, solving this inequality. Thank you very much.